CBS 2 legal analyst Irv Miller with us now. Irv, tomorrow, day 4 of deliberations, and this seems to be an indication that the jury, they're not all on the same page. So what happens if they go to the judge and say they just can't reach an agreement?
Well, they'll send a note to the judge telling the judge that they can't reach an agreement, and at that time the judge has the option of giving them one more instruction, and it's called the Allen charge, also known as the dynamite charge, that tells them, listen, go back, I want you to deliberate in good faith, I want you to talk to one another, I want you to have an open mind, I'm not trying to force you to reach a verdict, but talk to each other civilly and try to come to a verdict. They'll go back and deliberate, and if at that time they can't come back with a verdict after that charge, the judge will be declaring a mistrial.
Okay, now, Irv, we also know that the judge may not rule on these mistrial requests, 2 of them. He may not rule on them until after a verdict, which he can do. So it's as if his honor is kind of holding them like poker chips to be played in case it's not his desired outcome. What is your read on not ruling on the mistrial request yet?
Well, there's no legal reason why he shouldn't be ruling on this already, but I think there is a practical reason why he's not ruling on these motions. I don't think he wants to see a guilty verdict from the jury on first-degree murder. And I think if that happens, that he doesn't want to have to sentence this young man to life in prison. So I think at that time he will exercise his discretion in deciding whether or not he should grant a mistrial with prejudice, which means that charge cannot be tried again.
All right. Irv Miller, thank you as always for your insight. We know you will be with us again as we follow this case.
Sound good?
Jurors in the Kyle Rittenhouse trial will be back deliberating at 9 a.m. tomorrow. And as soon as the verdict comes in, we'll bring it to you right here. Irv will join us. Charlotte will join us on CBS 2 on TV and on our digital streaming network, CBS on Chicago.